Para, sir, I wonder whether it will be possible for the government to achieve the target under public loan and small savings, especially in view of the recent announcement made by the Reserve Bank of India. So, we have to increase our income through taxation. We should become more objective and not subjective. We should not think in terms of only pleasing some people. We cannot have a plan of high order without imposing additional taxes in a continually developing economy like ours. There is the question of tackling inflation. I do not accept that through taxation it is possible to control inflation. Para, the most important principle initiated by eminent economists is that the raw material for any economic development is the human factor. This human factor has to be taken into consideration when we want to prepare an effective plan. When there is a continuing demand for increase in salaries and wages leading to higher cost of management, we have to consider ways and means of absorbing the additional money to be pumped into the economy of the country for meeting these demands. One factor which is glaring in our country is that we do not have any consideration for the economy of the nation when we think of savings. The savings factor is related to the purchasing capacity of the individual. I do agree that with an increase in prices, the capacity of an individual to purchase definitely decrease. Para, in such a case, it is illusory to think of increasing the standard of living of the individual in the real sense of the terms. One of the greatest difficulties that we are finding in our country is to fight against our own habits. Once we fall into a habit, it is difficult for us to change the same and resort to reducing our spending. Everyone of us wants to stick to a particular standard of living, but we are not able to maintain that standard because of higher taxation. Then we contemplate upon avoiding taxes by various means. When we cannot avoid it, we urge for higher salaries and allowances. These are factors which come into play when prices go up. Para, in the circumstances, it becomes impossible for the government to resist the demand for increase in salaries. Increase in salaries obviously leads to higher inflation. Then government have to levy higher taxation to absorb the extra money thrust into the economy. Para, dear sir, thank you very much for your letter dated 10th February requesting me to visit New Delhi in connection with the International Book Fair to be held in April 2018. I am very much interested to visit New Delhi and spend a few days to go round the book fair. In the meanwhile, I shall be thankful if you could kindly secure and communicate to me some more information in detail regarding the dates of the fair, venue, and the countries that participate in the book fair. I am very much interested to purchase some books, particularly in the area of medicine, engineering, and education. Para, I therefore request you to collect the handouts, if any, on the above three subjects and send them to me, as it would be helpful for me to come prepared. Para. Further, I would like to stay there for 1 week. I need accommodation for my stay there, preferably near the book fair. Yours faithfully.